Hi you guys, so today I am going to be doing a braided wig install. I'm going to show you guys what I do. I have already put on my dark brown cap. I always use dark brown, that way I won't have to use any makeup or anything. And then I have my brown wig grip. I usually don't wear a wig grip with my wigs, but for this one, it's a 30-inch braided lace front, and it tends to slide back. So I put my wig grip on, and I'm going to put the wig on and show you guys how I am going to install. It's going to be so simple and easy. I'm going to try my best not to have to use bowl hole because I do not like using bowl hole. So I am going to get ready to show you guys the install. Okay, so I'm going to put the wig on. I've already cut the lace and everything. Okay, so like I said, with my wig grip, it fits a lot better. The only issue that I'm having is the lace needs to be laid down in the front. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my 91% alcohol, and I just use these cotton rounds. And I'm going to clean my forehead off right there in the front. I am not going to lay this wig down on the side. I only do that if it's absolutely necessary. But the way that this wig is braided, it is not necessary to glue it all the way on, especially since I want to wear it glueless. So I'm just going to lift this portion up a little bit. You want to make sure you clean your forehead, because whatever you decide to use, it will not stick if your forehead is not clean. I'm going to attempt to do this with just Got to Be Glued spray. Rather than the bow hole. And I say that because the bow hole is stronger. And even when I use one layer, sometimes it does not want to come up by itself. So we're going to just try it with the Got To Be Glued spray. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just a little bit the Got To Be Glued freeze blasting spray and my blow dryer. I'm going to spray just a little bit on my forehead where I want the wig to lay flat, and then I'm going to blow dry for about 5 to 10 seconds. You don't need to blow dry for any longer than that. This is a real easy way for you to just get your wigs to lay flat if you're wearing them glueless. So I'm going to spray it all across the front there because that is what I want to lay flat. Then I'm going to blow dry for 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to pull the wig forward and press it. I forgot my comb. Press it into my forehead. Wait a minute. I'm gonna have to use this because I left my comb. And I'm just gonna press it down into my forehead. I'll get that cotton round off too. Okay, you guys, now that I have it glued down, I am going to actually tie it down for about 10 to 15 minutes just to let it set. Don't come for me. I'm not gluing sides down because I don't want to. Listen, I'm a wig maker. I cannot have a wig stuck to my head, you know, for any amount of time because I make wigs. Sometimes I use my own head for guidance, you know, and I really, bottom line is I like to take my wigs off at night. So don't come for me. I'm not gluing these sides down. I'm gonna glue right here. Ain't nobody gonna know. Nobody gonna know. My sides are completely covered up, so no, not doing that. Okay, so I'm back, you guys. I zoomed the camera in a little bit because I'm going to take it off. It's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to take my scarf off. And you see how good the bow hold. I got a little resistance because I got some on my forehead. Okay, scarf is off. You see all that bow hold on my forehead? I mean, not bow hold. All of the, got to be glued on my forehead. But before I clean out my forehead, let me show you guys. See how the wig is there? It's not going anywhere. So, I'm gonna go clean my forehead real quick and then I will come back. All right, you guys, I have cleaned up my forehead. I am going to see. Let you guys see how it looks. It is pretty flush to my forehead. It is really flat now. What I'm going to do though, just as a last touch, is add just a little bit of makeup right there to the lace in the front. Yep, and you don't need a lot, just a little bit. At least not for this. And that is it, you guys. That is all that I'm gonna need when I'm ready to take this off tonight. All I gotta do is just gently pull at it and it'll come up. I really like it. Let me put my little jewel down now. There we go. I really, 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 really love this. If you like it too, shoot me a DM or email me. I am getting ready to add this unit to the site, so it will be available to order. Like I said, this one is 28 inches. So let me show you guys how long it is. So yeah, it's pretty long. I can't even get it all into the camera. Really beautiful. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, hope I didn't confuse anybody, but the products that I use are Got to Be Glued, Blast and Spray, my blow dryer, and 91% alcohol. Okay? Anyway, thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.